How to make money online search engine optimization. Okay, so who is this guide for? If you want management, monetize or promote online content, by Google search. This guide is mentor for you. You might be the owner of a growing and thriving business, the website owner of a dozen site, the SEO special in a web agency, or data SEO expert. Positionals about the marketing search. This guide is meant for you if you're interested in having complete overview of the basis of SEO according to our base party 6. You are indeed in the right place. This guide won't provide any secret. The actual rank of your site first Google's, but following the best practices will hopefully make it easier of search engine to grow, index and understand your content. Search engine optimization (SEO) is often about marketing small modification to part of your website. When viewed individually, this sense might seem like increment improvement, but when combined with others optimization, they could have a noticeable impact on your site users experience and propagation in organizations search result. You like to already family familiar with many topics or business because of your interest of any web page. So search engine optimization, SEO, search engine optimization, SEO marketing. So thank you everyone.